What's up, y'all? I want to welcome y'all back to 80 Cooks, and today we're doing a grilled chicken sandwich. And what we have in front of us is some chicken breast that's been marinated in Worcestershire sauce, seasonings, and herbs. And we have some fresh buns, some vegetable oil that's for our veggies that we're gonna stir fry, and then we have some red onions, some lettuce, and some provolone cheese. So let's go ahead and get started on this. It's a real quick, simple meal, and Nesta is going to be the cook. Nico, you're not going to be the cook. Nesta is going to be the cook, but Nico is going to help out though. So we're going to get started in this video. I appreciate you all for tuning in, and as I say all the time, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank y'all. What's up, y'all? I want to welcome y'all back to 80 Cooks, and right now we have our green onions, not our green onions, but our bell peppers and our onions. We're going to go ahead and saute those till they get soft a little bit, and then we will check back in the next video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. And right now these are our veggies. We're going to go ahead and take these out. They look a little soft and a little sauteed for us right now, so we're going to go ahead and put these off to the side, and then we're going to start on our chicken breast. Welcome back, y'all. We're going to go ahead and add our chicken breast. We're going to go ahead and grill these on a grilled skillet. So Nesta, go ahead and add your chicken breast. So we're gonna go ahead and let these cook up a little bit, grill them a little bit, and then we will check back. Probably when we flip them over, it'll probably be the next video. But everything is looking good and smelling good, y'all. Peace. Guys, welcome back. We have our chicken breast. Go ahead and flip them, Nesta. Looking good. It should be a nice grill mark on them. There we go. Looking good. Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and let these sear for another probably about 5-6 minutes, and then we'll take them off and we'll check back in the other video. Here's our cameraman on the side. He wants to be known. I'm the cameraman today. I took your job. Because I took it. Alright, y'all. Peace. What's up, y'all? I want to welcome y'all back. This is our chicken breast. This is what it's looking like right now. Go ahead and flip it over a little bit, Nesta. And we're going to go ahead and take these out because you don't want to overcook chicken breast. But it's looking good right now. Looking good. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and take these out, and in the next video we'll probably butter our buns, and then we'll toast them, and then we'll go from there. Guys, welcome back. Right now we're going ahead and toasting our buns, and what we're gonna do is just make sure they get like toasted on the inside. We're gonna pull them off, and then I'll check back in the other video. Back, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken breast on her, and we added our provolone cheese on. So Nesta, go ahead and add that on top, and this is on the bottom of the bun. We're just gonna let it toast up a little bit. It's on low. We just want to make sure that provolone cheese melts a little bit. Looking good. good. So on the next video, we'll probably go ahead and plate this sandwich together, but everything is looking good and smelling good, and we'll see you in the next video. Guys, welcome back. We went ahead and we added our chicken breast and our provolone cheese on top. We're gonna go ahead and top this off, and also we added our veggies on top. So we're gonna go ahead and add mayonnaise maybe and some honey mustard to it, and we're gonna add our fresh veggies on top. In the next video, you'll see our sandwich. All right. Okay guys, welcome back. We went ahead and finished off our chicken breast sandwich. We added our onions, our fresh onions, and our fresh lettuce on top of it, mayonnaise, and honey mustard on it as well. So I appreciate you all for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. And peace, y'all.